Today in this video, I'm going to explain best free adult apps for Firestick and Android TV. From the home menu, go to search icon, then search for downloader. Now click on orange downloader app, then click on download. Now click on home icon from the remote, then go to settings icon, then click on my Fire TV and click on about Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Then go back and click on developer. Now click on install unknown apps, then click on downloader. Now go home, then open the downloader app, then click on allow and OK. Then type in this number and go. Then click on install, delete and delete. Then go to home on developer app. In the search bar, search for this and go. Then click on install, delete and delete. From the remote, hold in the home button. Then click on apps. Now find the adult apps. Now press the options button. Then click on move. Now go to the adult app and click on it. Then move it to the top. Do the same to the other app. Then click on home button from the remote. Now open the VPN app, then connect to the VPN, then open the adult app. By following the steps, you can open best free adult apps for Fire Stick and Android TV.
If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.